The Torjim 16-inch Softbox Lighting Kit features high-quality PET fabric and a foldable nylon cover, offering softer and more even light, perfect for creating a wide range of illumination. Equipped with an energy-efficient 85-watt bulb, this kit provides adjustable daylight color temperatures between 3,000 and 7,500 Kelvin, saving up to 80% energy while maintaining consistent lighting. The sturdy aluminum alloy tripod with independent locking knobs ensures stability and safety, preventing any wobble during use, even when subjected to scratches from hard objects. A 210-degree rotatable head offers flexibility to adjust the angle to suit various photography needs, such as lighting for live broadcasts, video recordings, or portrait shooting. The Torjim Softbox Kit includes everything necessary for a complete setup, featuring a softbox, a remote, an LED bulb, a 60-inch tripod stand, and a soft diffuser. This kit is ideal for both amateur and professional photographers looking to enhance their indoor shooting with even, shadow-free lighting.